you feeling, Nuggies? Good morning. Good morning, Shaky boys. Honestly, you guys, it's our first non-windy morning, and I'm just so excited. That's the water we've been wanting to go swimming in. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I even let myself sleep in a little bit. It's like 7:30. Yeah, it's 7:30. The sun is actually up. And we're just getting up. Today's gonna be a very chill day because the maximum we're driving is an hour and a half for driving today. If it stays like this, I honestly might be like down to just stay here all day. But who knows? Anything's possible. Depending on if there's surf in Nine Palms or not, is like whether we are like running to go anywhere and explore out there. But I need to get to Loretto before I go to Agua Verde because I need to get water and probably some beans because we're gonna be out of beans here soon. So supplies, supplies, stuff to tackle. Getting ready. I normally would go for a run first, but I don't trust that it's not going to get windy, so it's important that I get on the paddleboard, so we are focusing on getting on the paddleboard today. But first we're going to take the dogs for a little walk down the road down there, and then we're going to come back and inflate the paddleboard. So let's go for a walk. Things are getting ready. A little pre-board snack. One thing about me, bread is my favorite thing in the entire world. Like, if there was one food I could eat for the rest of my life, it would be bread. Also, one thing I know you're going to say, that's not very healthy. Do I look like I care? No. You know why? Because I used to eat really healthy. Like, I used to eat everything that I made. Like, I made everything. I didn't use oils. I didn't use butters. I made my own vegan butter. That's how neurotic I was. I never cooked in oils. It was like everything I ate, I knew exactly every ingredient in it. Didn't go out to eat nothing. Guess what? I still got sick. So at that point, I was like, I'm going to have some lenience in my diet now, because it doesn't matter what you do, you're still going to get sick. I eat everything within moderation. Most of the time. If you put a plate of cookies in front of me, I might eat the whole thing. Okay? Well, don't blame me, okay? So anyways, I love sourdough bread. I can't remember what I was going to say. Anyways, whatever. We're getting ready to go paddleboarding. I'm taking both the dogs, and we're going to go over to the island and then walk around the island. So it should be really fun. Hopefully, it's not as far as I think it is, but very well could be a far, far paddle. Anyways, we're not taking this camera. This is my good camera. We're leaving this one in the truck and we're taking the GoPro. So footage will get shoddy from here on out because it's going to be on the GoPro on my phone. But anyways, we're going to take you along for the ride. It's not a secret island. It's just an island that we're parked up next to. So let's go. We're at the beach! We're gonna go paddle over to this island. And Dustin is also coming, but he's going spear fishing. So we're gonna keep on keeping on the board. Got the dogs. We're gonna see what's on this island. It looks a little bit jungly. I would say that's a no. Okay, come on, keep going back. All right, let's go check this. Casually dolphins just swimming. Like, how cool is that? We're just out here with dolphins. Psyche, no sir. Like, so freaking cool. So cool. We just needed a little bit of vitamin C. SEA. C, baby. I feel so much better now that I finally have gotten in the ocean and I'm salty and I can taste the salt and I'm just like, yes! Anyways, are you guys happy? We're gonna finish driving around the island, paddling around the island. Then we're gonna go back and we're gonna make breakfast and then we're gonna lay on the beach for the rest of the day. So excited. It's just crazy because you wonder, like, is the water really this blue? Is this really the color of the water? Can this be real? Like, can this be real? Is this actually real? True, it is real. This is unedited, this is raw. This is really the color of the water. It is this blue. The dogs are ready to get back. My stomach is growling, so I think we're gonna do the 2-mile paddle back to the house and go make some breakfast. Let's hope Dustin caught some fish, because if he does and he breads them, I'm gonna try it. Yummy. We are back from paddleboarding and we have gotten into the ocean. Feels so much better now. I'm like fresh, I'm clean. I've been in the ocean and now we are gonna make some food because I am very, very, very hungry. And it is time to eat some food. Alright, it's time to go sit down and enjoy some brunchy because it is, I don't know, 12-ish. We're gonna go enjoy brunch because I'm Alright, here comes fun that maybe everyone wants to witness. This is me climbing onto my roof to put my paddleboard away. This is gonna be a total mission right now. It's gonna be hilarious. Let's do that. Get that up there. This is comical, Dustin.
What?
The way in which I get onto my roof is hilarious. The way that this is working right now is absolutely comical, if you ask me. Okay. Step one. How do you stay in shape when you live in a vehicle? You live in a vehicle. You don't need to bother. Your life is staying in shape. Like, honestly, if you're not in shape from living in a vehicle, you're doing it wrong.
There's data for like.
Let's see if this is gonna lock. This is how I lock it. Oh, we did it! But guess what? There's still stuff that's gotta go in here. It's one of my favorite times of day, if you couldn't tell. I'm just like grinning from ear to ear. Why? Because it's sunset. I mean, honestly, is that not just like cotton candy sky magicalness? Just beautiful. Just unbelievable. Like, I live here.